Stihl is the world #1 when it comes to chainsaws, and no wonder. We've taken all we've learned from designing professional chainsaws and used it in our consumer range. This means that chainsaws like the Stihl MS181 CBE are easier and more comfortable to use than ever. Featuring our unique ergo start, the MS181 CBE takes very little effort to start up. Switch on, prime, pull, and you're away. And because you don't have to pull more than once, flooding is virtually eliminated. Another clever feature is the simple and quick chain tensioning using just your fingers and no tools, all of which puts Stihl chainsaws a cut above the rest.